To change your YouTube channel name, follow the steps. Sign into YouTube, open YouTube app or website and sign into your account. Go to YouTube Studio, click in your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Access customization testing in YouTube Studio. Click on customization in the left sidebar. Edit channel name. Under the basic info tab, you'll see your current channel name. Click on the pencil icon next to it to edit. Enter your new channel name in the provided field. You may see a warning that changing your channel name too often can affect your channel's visibility. Confirm the change if you still want to proceed. Save changes. After entering your new channel name, click on the Publish button to save the changes. Review changes. Your channel name will be updated immediately. You can go to your channel page to see the updated name. Keep in mind that changing your channel name too frequently can affect your channel's visibility and branding. It's recommended to choose a name that reflects your channel's content and identity and stick with it unless necessary.